of dawn. Echo the songs of those long gone. Yet here we stand, united strong. Through every trial, we belong. God bless the Zomi, their land divine. In every shadow, let His light shine. A bond unbroken, a strength so pure. For Jesus' love, we endure. The whispering winds, the call of dawn, echo the songs of those long gone. Yet here we stand, united strong. Through every trial, we belong. God bless the Zomi, their land divine. In every shadow, let His light shine. A bond unbroken, a strength so pure. Through Jesus' love, we endure. We endure. Through storms and tides, they rise above. Their spirit bound in endless love. Oh, so many people, brave and free, a heaven-blessed community. God bless the Zomi, the land divine. In every shadow, let His light shine. A bond unbroken, a strength so pure. Through Jesus' love,